What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. Welcome back, and let's talk about some Shiba Inu, shall we? Let's get into why it's going up and what Ethereum has recently done, which has driven the price to the moon, hopefully. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as you guys can see here, what we're looking at is a nice increase here over the past couple of days. Again, you guys can see here, this is the 7-day, and it was, hanging out here around 6.1. It's pushed its way up to 6.2, and looks like it's on a nice trajectory to reach 6.3 or 6.4. Now the question is, why has this happened, and why in a seemingly down market is Shiba Inu managing to do this? Well, this does relate a lot to Ethereum, and as I've talked about a lot in the past, Ethereum really does determine what happens with Shiba Inu. I'm sorry, it's just the truth. I didn't make it up. I don't like it 100% myself, but that's just what's going on. You guys see here Ethereum here about breaking even on the day, and if you look at the 7-day chart, obviously it's doing quite nice. But the thing is, what's going on with Ethereum that is driving this price up, and what is supporting all ERC20 tokens? Well, that is the Ethereum burn. So the basic idea here, and if you guys aren't specifically into this technology, believe me, I know it's hard, it's complicated. Not everybody is a crypto expert on that level, but the basic idea here is that Ethereum is being taken out of the supply. So right now with EIP 1559, Ethereum's London upgrade, what is happening right now is that the network itself, the actual Ethereum network, is burning Ethereum on a regular basis. So London hard fork has gone live, and its effects are already underway. The network upgrade include a specific improvement called EIP 1559. They've teased this for a while now. It's been a few months. And basically what this does is simplify how transaction fees are paid. So the new mechanism involves burning a portion of the transaction fees, removing them from the circulating supply. And while new Ether is being issued every block, this reduction in supply is helping to counter that, effectively reducing the network's rate of inflation. Because before this, Ethereum was at around 6%, a 6% inflation rate per year. Right now, it's headed the other direction. At least it's a little bit down. I don't know if it's technically deflationary. I don't think it's technically deflationary now, but it is still drastically slowing the rate in which new Ethereum is being created, which is fantastic. Now, what does this mean for Shiba Inu? So you clicked on this vid for Shib, and what does that mean for Shib? Well, essentially, Shib as an ERC20 token is being benefited by this action. Again, when price sentiment for Ethereum goes up, when Ethereum news comes out, Shib obviously being on the Ethereum infrastructure, being built off of Ethereum, is going to benefit from that greatly. So again, right now you guys can see pretty much a break even, maybe slightly above the green day here right now over the past 24 hours. And you guys can see when that first came out, you guys can see it really does have a nice impact here over the past 8 hours or so, with a surge up to around 6.3. Now, when we look at the little bit of a longer term chart here, it looks like that this could very, very well be continuing on a nice uptrend. Now, I said in a few videos ago that 6.1 looked like the line of support, and thankfully, my prediction has managed to maintain its accuracy here. As you guys can see, 6.1 really does look like that line. Now, when you have a line of support like this that just never falters, it's a good sign, especially considering this has been going for so long. I mean, this has been a great time for a lot of buyers to accumulate a good amount of SHIB while, obviously not experiencing great volatility in the price. So my prediction for the remainder of the day, and of course the next 48 hours and whatnot, is that this cryptocurrency is going to stay right around this price, as I'm sure you guys could expect, around 6.2, 6.3, maybe 6.4, but it does look like it is being given an opportunity here to make a very nice trajectory. Again, it's not really dipping very much below the 6.1 line, and a very traditional pattern is when the lows stay the same. It's known as a falling wedge. You guys can see when the lows stay the same and the highs are descending. So if I clear everything here to make it a little bit more organized, you guys can see we have some lower highs, and the low is staying exactly the same. And when you have a falling wedge like this, typically this is imminent of a breakout, because what you're doing here is watching this line of support not change very much. It's pretty much staying the same, while the line of resistance is gradually coming down, sort of decreasing that volatility, those crazy price jumps. So this definitely does look good. I really could see this surging up to 6.7, 6.8, 6.9, maybe even 7 at some point here in the near future. I'm going to set a goal over the next 72 hours or so here, maybe to watch it get to like 6.8 or something like that. Somewhere around there, man. I really do believe it is possible. I think it honestly depends on Ethereum, like I talked about earlier in the video. So again, as Ethereum does this, it will be very beneficial for SHIB in the near future. Now, what this shows on etherchain.org, you guys can see, watch as Ethereum gets burned with EIP 1559. So in total, 5170 Ethereum have been burned, which is an awful lot. So you do the math in your own head here. If we go ahead and look at the Ethereum page, take this and multiply it by 5170, that's a lot of money, an awful lot of money, in fact. So this actually keeps track of how much is being burned here, the burn rate. So every hour here, 3 Ethereum are being burned per minute per hour. So for an hour, I suppose that'd be around 180. And you guys can see here's the emission, gas target, and some other nuances here. But all around, man, this is pretty cool stuff. So all around, definitely good to watch Ethereum making this change in direction. I really do believe that this will be helpful in the near future for Ethereum's price, of course. I know a lot of people who watch this video are also invested in Ethereum as well, considering, Ethereum and SHIB are, one of the same in a sense. So Ethereum definitely, will be in the near future, I would say, past 3,000 would be my guess. Now, of course, if we take a look right now at Bitcoin on the day, which I'm going to pull up for you guys as well, we are up around 6%, so pushing 42,000, which is just wonderful. I talked about this a couple of videos as well. I said with the RSI right now, the Relative Strength Index, Bitcoin is at around 39,000 at the time, and the RSI was only at 40, and it managed to push 70 with the 42,000 mark, which was absolutely awesome. So let's say we do the same thing right now for SHIB. If I am to look at the Relative Strength Index, you guys can see right now, it is pretty much staying well within these boundaries, which is fine. Again, the goal that I want to look at for SHIB, of course, is to watch it hang out, somewhere at like 40 or 50, on the RSI, somewhere like 40 or somewhere at like 50. Watch it hang out around here and be at 6.2, because again, if it is able to do that, then that shows that it has headroom, it has room to grow, it has room to move up, and once that happens, it could reach 6.5, 6.6, whatnot, without being considered from a fundamental standpoint overbought, which is what matters. You definitely don't want a crypto to be particularly overbought, and when that happens, of course, you get volatility, and you guys know that problem. So thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you guys are new, I really do appreciate you guys hanging out here. If you guys click my link down below in the description, you guys will get 2 free stocks at Webull. It's a very, very great affiliate opportunity. So if you guys click it, we both get a little bit of free stock, and you always, could convert that to crypto or whatnot. So who can't love that? Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Sure, drop a like. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about what's going on with SHIB's price right now, and how much are you holding on to. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.